Do these phrases sound strange to you? A quick car, powerful coffee, strong rain. No? Well, they actually sound very strange to native English speakers. Instead, we would say a fast car, strong coffee, heavy rain. The reason these phrases sound strange is because the words don't naturally go together. In English, we call these collocations. And if you want your English to sound more natural and fluent, learning collocations is one of the most powerful things that you can do. Sometimes a phrase might be grammatically correct, but to native speakers, it still sounds unnatural. Some collocations are very strong or fixed. For example, we say take a photo. We don't say make a photo or do a photo or even snap a photo because it doesn't sound natural. The reason learning collocations is so important is because native speakers don't choose their words one by one. Instead, we learn and remember these natural combinations of words. When you start learning English this way, you start thinking and speaking in chunks rather than word by word. And this is what is going to make you sound much more natural and much more fluent. You'll also notice that conversations will start to feel easier because you're not trying to build each sentence word by word. Now let's look at some common examples of collocations. When we use the words strong and heavy, for strong we say strong coffee, strong smell, strong opinion, or strong wind. And for heavy, we can say heavy rain, heavy traffic, heavy snow. But we don't say strong rain or heavy coffee. If we look at have and do, we say have breakfast, have lunch, have a shower, have a rest. But we say do homework, do exercise, do the dishes. We don't do a shower and we don't do a rest. Now let's look at big and large. Big and large are very similar in meaning. However, we would say big decision, a big problem, a big mistake. But we would say large amount, large number, or large quantity. We wouldn't say large decision or a large mistake because it doesn't sound natural. Next, we have fast and quick. Again, similar meanings, but we use them differently. For example, fast car, fast train, fast internet. But quick look, quick break, quick question, or quick call. We don't say fast call or quick internet. They don't go together. And lastly, let's look at take and make. These are very common collocations that you'll have heard before. Take a photo, take a break, take a seat. But we say make a plan, make a promise, make a decision. We don't take a decision or make a break. So once you start to learn these combinations, you'll start to learn which ones sound correct and which ones don't sound natural. Look out for part 2, where I'll teach you 10 really common collocations that native speakers use every day. So remember, collocations are words that naturally go together, and learning them will help you to speak English more naturally, fluently, and more like a native speaker. And if you want to learn even more natural phrases, don't forget to download my free guide of 30 simple phrases that will help you to sound more natural in English. You can download it using the link in the description.